How many videos do you have right now that maybe are on a drawer or in a shelf and you don't know, you can't hear it, they're degrading, and this is so important.
Some of these, I waited too long to actually get the footage off of these, because you think that it's safe, right? It's recorded on this tape, you think it's gonna last forever. Oh no, these tapes degrade over time. They will begin to disintegrate, and if you don't get the footage off of here, this is what you're stuck with, okay? Take a look. Right here is a video, and I'm very sad to show you this video. This is my son, Dominic. He's 5 years old there. You see all that black that's kind of streaking off his face and how degraded the video looks? This was on a VHS that I waited too long to get the memory off the VHS. Dominic is 22 years old now.
See, this is heartbreaking.
So I decided that I am not going to put this off any longer. This company called iMemories sent me this Safe Ship box. It's very cool. I just put my stuff right in there. Makes it really easy. iMemories is located in Arizona, so everything is done right here in the US. Packaging is really secure too. And this box, no wonder they call it Safe Ship box. Oh, and how convenient. They even include a prepaid shipping label. Okay, so I'm off to drop this off at UPS. I could call them to pick it up, but I'm really excited to get it going. And check this out. Anytime that I'm talking about my family, I don't have to run and grab my photos and look through them. I have the footage. I have it on my phone, my tablet. We can even sit in the living room and watch it on TV. It's just been incredible. And my kids, I could have handed them all this and said, here's your memories. And you know, now they have it forever. Don't wait as long as I did.
It's a really exciting process. You get the box and you go through and you start to look at all of the different pieces.
It was just so incredibly fun that evening as a family to pull up those memories and look at some of those old videos that my children had never seen, and just to see the joy and the laughter in their eyes at reliving those moments when they were young was just, it was really special.
As Daddy.
Does that look like Daddy?
Yeah, that's Daddy.
As Grandma.
I still have those.
We've run across many pictures and other things that has reminded us of the great times that we had as a family.
It's just fun to relive that and see those personality traits at play all those years ago.
One of the neatest things about having a son is kind of getting to share all of that family history with him. This is where you come from, this is who you are. I feel like you never get lost if you know who you are in the world.
Knowing that iMemories provides us an opportunity to have those things converted has been just amazing.
All of my memories were really well taken care of and were returned back to me after they were converted.
Right away there's a checklist, which was really helpful just to make sure that you didn't miss anything and that you have all of the steps, and made it very easy.
It's also a place where I can continue to add to the story, because that story isn't finished yet.
It's going to be so much fun to be able to see this and to have something that I can see now. It's going to make me cry a lot, but it's going to just bring back nothing but wonderful memories for me.